Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select who can check you up on Facebook via your email address. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the menu icon down below on the right side of the screen. Then tap on the settings option at the top. Then scroll down to the audience and visibility section. Here, click on the second option, which is how people can find and contact you. After that, you should click on who can look you up using the email address you provided. That's the third option. Here you have four options that you can choose from: everyone, friends of friends, friends, or only me. So tap on the relevant circle, and when a check mark icon appears in it, it means that it has been selected. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.